light RTM process. This mold is held together with vacuum, where it holds the inner and outer mold together. The dry glass is already in it. We want to inject the catalyzed resin into that. This is the pump setup with the fluid pressure is maintained by the fluid regulator. We'll keep it under 20. Turn this on to the bypass. We're going to open the valve and you can see the catalyst and the resin come through here together and the pump will start to cycle. See the resin going through the tube, pumping the catalyst. It's gone through there. We know we got a good flow. We now turn it to the part. Now it's flowing into the part. You can see the resin and the air being transferred around the edges of the mold. We have a bit of an air leak here, which is not ideal. This mold needs some repair. You can see the resin slowly migrating through the glass at this point. Where all this air is coming from. There's a leak in there. The resin flows all the way around the edge to a channel and slowly starts sinking into the material on both sides. It's a slow migration, but it's starting to move through there. The trick is not to exceed the pressure. The process itself seems to be slow, but there's no labor involved. It's just a one-man operation to totally run the part. With the resin clear over to here, starting to come around into these sides over here. The reason this is off center is material comes in one side and goes around, and that's about the point that it all should migrate there about the same time. As this gets up here, it starts getting tighter to move, so it leaves the open spot where it has a chance for the vacuum to pull the air out of the tighter spots. Slowly increasing the vacuum in the center section here. Don't dare pull more than about 10 pounds of vacuum or you'll pull the styrene out of the resin separated. So control of the pressures are important. Resin's totally meeting over here at this point now. We'll need a vice grip, small vice grip. So we're about 90% done. It's the last part takes a little bit longer. It's moving all that resin. But it's all under very low pressure. That's the key. Thank you. It's interesting how close this comes out even. Looks pretty good. We don't have any big air bubbles anywhere, any big voids.
put in that.
Just enough to make sure that it's full. You don't have to waste much of it. Some days the weight long enough, like there's a little more air on one side, that might start pulling it out of here. You just give it enough time for that to flow equally. But that's why there is that big a reservoir. There's very little wastage compared to a chopper gun and other operations. There's no overspray. Very small amount of wastage.
No smell whatsoever.
No fumes. Not even getting sticky. Yeah.
And then you'll show the weight.